there, my name is Barbara D at Guarantee RV out here in Junction City. Today I'm going to talk with you about the Arctic Fox 25Y. What a fantastic trailer. Northwood is known for being a quality product. They have aluminum caged walls, 2-inch thick closed cell insulation, and the list just goes on and on. The 25Y has 2 doors. You enter into the back door. It's got a great big window. Super nice because I tell you, you usually back into the view. So let's talk a little bit about that. The construction is amazing. There's 2 really super duper nice vehicles out there, and one of them is the Arctic Fox put out by Northwood. The only competition it has is maybe a Lance, and that's it. It's a completely sealed and heated underbelly. They're built one at a time. When they build a 25Y, Northwood is only building a 25Y. So it's a 2-door travel trailer that runs about 31 feet, super nice, all leather, big windows, and the story goes on and on and on. Take a look at this video and then give me a call. My name is Barbara D. I work out here at Guarantee. I'm an RVer, so I'm here to help you. And my phone number is 541-521-4232.